So, your company is planning to build a mobile app, but how do you know whether this is the right choice for your business? My name is Adrian Ching. I'm the founder of Upstack Studio, a web and mobile app development studio based in Kuala Lumpur. I've helped multiple clients over the past 2 years to build their mobile app from scratch. And today, I'm here to share with you how do you decide whether building a mobile app is right for your business. According to statistics from Statista as of the first quarter of 2018, there are 3.8 million of apps on Google Play and 2 million of apps on App Store. So it can seem like every business needs a mobile app. TechCrunch in 2017 also reported that data from analytic firm Flurry shows that US consumers spend 5 hours a day on mobile devices. So that could be a really good statistics, right? However, there's a flip side to these statistics. The percentage of people who do not return to an app after a month they downloaded the app is a whopping 57%. Imagine building an app, investing a lot of money into it, but in the end, the users are not coming back. So how do we prevent this? Here are 5 questions you can ask yourself before you decide whether or not building a mobile application is the right move for you. So the first question, does your user visit your app multiple times a day? Apps like games, notes, to-do lists, social media, these are really recommended for mobile application because users will need this information on their fingertips. Users will use them pretty often during the day and want the interaction with these applications to be lag-free. So let's go through a few example mobile applications that fits this criteria. So the first one, Todoist. So Todoist is essentially a to-do list mobile application. So you will need to be able to check your to-do list when you're outside, so on your fingertips directly, so that you know what you need to achieve next. The next one is Facebook. So Facebook is a social media. I'm sure everyone knows about Facebook. So Facebook allows us to stay connected to our social circle, and throughout the day, users will check Facebook multiple times. Last but not least, the Malaysian Insight. The Malaysian Insight is a news portal mobile application where users can check for local news that are happening around them every single day. Users will usually log in multiple times a day in order to check what's happening around them. So that fits the criteria of getting the users into the app, using the app multiple times a day. The next question to ask yourself is, does your mobile app need to access phone native features? So what do I mean by phone native features? Things like camera, gyroscope, sensors, touch ID or fingerprints. So these will work better with a native mobile application instead of a web, right? So if one of these are crucial for your application, you should definitely consider building a native application instead of a web application. The efficiency of native mobile applications processing will definitely be higher compared to a web application that is browsed on a browser. The third question you want to ask is, does your product involve navigation or location-based elements, things like GPS? If GPS feature is a crucial part of your business, you will definitely want to consider building a mobile application. What kind of mobile applications will need GPS? So things like ride-sharing app or even fleet tracking. One of the easiest example for applications that needs GPS locations will be Grab. Question number 4. Does your product require delivery of information in real time? Probably most businesses want to reach their customers as quick as possible. Do you need to reach your users instantly? Is there any chat element that you will need to send a push notifications to your users, or even sending a promotion notifications to your users? If your business fits this kind of requirements, then you might want to think about building a mobile application for your business. Last but not least, do you have at least 50,000 ringgit Malaysia in your budget? We always believe one thing: a broken app, even if it costs only 20k, is expensive because you've wasted 20k. But a working app that drives real business value could be worth millions of dollars. Make sure to ask yourself these 5 questions before you decide whether or not to build a mobile application, because it is a huge investment. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it and if you want more stuff like this, make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button to see more videos from us. Thank you for your time and have a great one.